Hi guys, I wanted to show you today, in your care packages when you receive your GLSS, there's going to be two black caps, and they're meant to go on the bed track. So this is super sharp right here. You can easily cut your cushion on it, or even your hand just moving in and out of your storage stuff. So basically what you're going to do is undo the first couple screws. Don't take it all the way out, just undo it a little bit. And then you should be able to pull this track off the wall just enough to slide this plastic cap underneath it. And that's it. Just slide it, bring it up nice and tight, and then go back and tighten these screws. And now you have a finished product. You don't have to worry about scratching or ripping your cushion on it. So that's what that's for. Super easy to put on, and you should have that in your care package when you receive your GLSS.